If your book doesn't look credible in 3 seconds at thumbnail size, it doesn't get read.
Pour a cup of clarity, sip a spark of insight. Coffee with Carma, your morning feels just right.
The book cover is where most books lose authority, and it's fixable in minutes if you know what to look for. Hi, my name is Carma Spence, and I help established experts write the right book so that they don't waste time writing the wrong book that will just collect digital dust. No, I help them write the book that will attract in their dreamy clients, elevate their authority, and drive business growth. If you're watching this video on YouTube, please like this video, comment below, subscribe to my channel, and share this with others so that this video and others like it can find its true audience. People like you who want to grow their business and their authority using the amazing asset of a book. So today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 ways to instantly improve your book's authority. And the first one is before designing your cover, look at the top 5 books in your category. 10's better, but 5 is good. What makes them feel authoritative? What common elements do they have? And use that as a guide to design your cover. Now, I picked up some books from my bookshelf that illustrate some of this. Right now, what's really hot is big, bold titles. And if you notice, no imagery. Dark colors are working, and so are, stop it, plain white. But basically a solid color, either like black, navy, sometimes red or white, big words, maybe some a little subtle imagery that makes it provocative. This one uses not only the bold colors of red and yellow, but angles that make you go, whoa, what's that about? Another book that does that is Sell Like Crazy. These are all a little bit off balance, which emphasizes the crazy, by the way, psychologically. Stealing Genius. This is the author's brand color, orange, big, bold letters. Another one, we've got Clear Thinking, white, big, bold letters, subtle imagery. This one uses color change to grab your attention because rapid really stands out. And then, of course, that makes lead stand out as well. And then this one I thought was very interesting because, yes, the title is small, but that's a really compelling image. You're like, what is going on here? It makes you lean in and look. You want your cover to grab people at tiny sizes. And a really good way to make sure that yours does that is to study the current bestsellers. Number 2, ask someone unfamiliar with your work. What level of expertise does this suggest? Ask them why they feel that way. Use this as intel to improve your book cover. So, does this feel authoritative? Well, it definitely feels like he helps you stand out. This can feel authoritative. The red and the white contrast feels authoritative. Um, these two feel authoritative primarily because they're part of the going trend. And don't you want to 10x something? Don't we all want to 10x something? Again, big bold letters. What's the going trend? Now, careful caveat on trends. You want them to be timeless trends. I know that sounds weird, but timeless trends are trends that you could see that book cover won't age. Some book covers kind of do. They start looking like, when you go to a used bookstore and you pick up this one, like, yeah, that one was written in the 70s, or maybe that's just me. But yeah, I hope you understand what I'm trying to get at. You want it to be on trend so that people clue in, but not so trendy that it ages out. And number 3, your final check. Zoom out so that you're looking at the image at thumbnail size. Does the book still look credible at a glance? Do this experiment. Go to Amazon, pick a book, just put in a random search and start looking through. Which books make you stop and want to look more? More than likely, most of the books that you see, you just gloss right over, especially once you hit the second or third page. The ones on the first page probably stopped enough people that they're probably good covers. But once you get to the second or third page, fewer people are stopping, so they are less compelling. So there you go. 3 ways to check your book cover to make sure that it gives your book a leg up and will attract your ideal clients. In my next video, I will be back with what suspicion the famous Hitchcock film reveals about your book's signals. Until then, this is Carma Spence saying ciao for now.